We're not losing today, bro. Fuck that. Not letting that happen. Let me see that. Let me see that. I'm gonna hit this 3 for us. Ah.
I've made a shot. I'm set.
Oh. All right. We'll play on D. What's the score? Up to 13? Up to 13. 15. Fuck it. 15. 13. All right. 13. All right.
Come on, don't let him. Don't let him press up.
Stay on that guy. Stay on that guy.
Back.
Woo.
Oh, damn, because of N1. And because of N1.
Damn, this was on one, all right? All right. That fool threw a floater up, all right? All right, bro. Switch. Chamano. And one. And one. Come here. Come here, he's on you, he's on you. It's good, it's good, it's good. You're gonna have to ice to this one. I got him. Get that, Josh, get that.
Go in there.
Take him, take him. Hang on, hang on. Yeah! Yeah! Warm that shit up. Come on. Come on, bro. We're winning by 2 now. We're winning by 2 now.
No, me.
What you mean? That was a 3.
No. 2-1, 3-2. Oh, 3-2, yeah.
Yeah, we're up by 1.
We're up by 1. He wins.
He tripped me. He tripped me. What the fuck? Whatever. Whatever. That didn't count. That fucking tripped me. Switch, Josh. All right, up.
Oh, that's so fast.
Get that.
Fuck no. Hey, nice shot.
You didn't do that. Behind the back shit. There, Josh, I got a box.
Only one.
Ooh. Yeah. Fuck.
Where's the score going to?
13? We're up a lot. We're up by a lot right now, Josh. We're up by a lot, right? What is it, 6-2?
5-2. This who's catching the score is
5-2?
5-2.
Alright. Take it up. It's good, it's good, it's good.
I'm gonna have to try home. Sorry.
You got him? Yeah. All right, I got Primo. Force him to take a layup. Force him.
Okay.
Ooh.
Oh no.
Get that. Nah, he was on that one. He fucking trained on that one already.
He got around me.
Nah, don't let that happen.
Right there, I'm like, oh, he went through.
He's gonna do the same move.
Don't let my shoes go in your head. It's talking now.
It's giving you.
I'll make the next one. You're just a shot. Down pretty much.
Yeah. What the fuck?
I
got it.
You're right. I got help right.
Stay on that shit. Stay on that.
Oh fuck! I thought you were
Oh. Get him.
from my ankle right there, bro.
We're playing full courts? It's only out when it goes out right there.
We're gonna be down. You guys down. We're gonna have to.
Half courts?
Yeah, it's alright.
All right then.
Our ball? Oh, your ball.
I tapped it out.
Down Primo. Stay through your. That's I got help right.
Yeah.
Shit, baby.
Yeah.
4 or 5. Oh, okay, I'm not letting up. That's on me. 6 stars.
He just threw that shit up.
Basket. Oh, I hit the ball. Basket. Oh, I hit the ball.
Threw that shit up, homie.
It ripped?
Fuck yeah. Bad.
Ah! Too much now.
It's alright.
Going for the lace. Get corner. Shoot. Good shot! You didn't call bang, fool? Nah.
Shoot.
Where's that, 10?
Yeah. Come on, Josh. 12 right here. I got Primo. Ooh! Fuck yeah!
Oh my god!
He fucking got lucky. What the fuck was that? Alright, we're still up by 1, Josh. Chilling.
My fucking chocolate is annoying.
Hang on. This was on the call. There you go. That has to be one of the most luckiest ones.
Look at yours.
What you mean? I'm not helping no more, Josh. I'm not helping. What the fuck? What the fuck is that? I thought you hit that one, Josh. I thought you hit that one, actually. I thought you were gonna hit it, bro.
I know, dude.
It's alright, bro.
My time.
It's alright. We still have a chance.
Yeah, we still got this.
He's doing some fucking NBA moves. Hey, he lost the ball. Get there. Take it up. Take it up. He didn't fucking touch. Yeah. 11. Game point, homie. Come on, Josh. I need a 3. Come on, Josh. Fuck it. I believe in you. Take it. And 1. Get that, Josh.
I got fouled.
Ooh. Get. He fouled?
What?
He fouled?
I didn't fucking touch.
He fouled?
No, Primo did.
Oh, Primo fouled? Hey,
It's okay. Too close of a game.
I didn't know. I was still playing decent.
Did.
He did. He said I heard foul, but I didn't know. I didn't know what we were doing. You can take it, Josh. Take it out. Take it. There, you have a mismatch. Go for it.
No, let him shoot.
Yeah. Come on, Josh. Come on. I'm not helping no more.
I take the 2.
That's game?
No, one more.
One more. I thought it was 13.
He was saying game 4.
I
Game
thought,
point if you make a 2.
yeah. I thought that was 12.
We're winning.
All right.
This is game point.
Okay then. We'll go for it now. Come on, Josh.
Okay.
He fucking sold. Come on. He fucking sold that shit. I got it. How was that a foul?
Get at that. No, it's not a foul.
Yeah, no, you put it off your phone.
How's that a foul?
You knocked it off my feet. I called you.
I have Bruiser Hall of Fame. I got Bruiser Hall of Fame.
You knocked it off my picture.
There's a tank.
He's just trying to body me. I got him.
Down
Hey, what the fuck? He stepped out of bounds.
Oh my god.
You stepped out of bounds. He did step out of bounds.
Shut the fuck up.
Hey, that's out of bounds.
Check it. You check it out. Stay on him.
All right.
0-3.
Yeah.
Oh, you stay on him? Right. Game point either way, 1 or 2.
I already got Primo tired.
Don't worry, bro. You're grabbing on
I'm
me.
Patrick Beverly,
Grabbing
homie.
on me.
I'm Patrick Beverly, homie. Right, sir. Get that up. Let's go. Tie game.
Wow, I got my phone away.
Tie game. Tie game, buddy. He's sleeping. 11, I think. Come on, Josh. That's all you. Come on, buddy. Get that. What happened?
You crash heads.
All right, just go. Play it on.
Careful, don't go too hard.
Play it on.
Careful.
Yeah! Fuck you, nigga. Fuck you, nigga.
Fuck you, dog.
What's up? Yeah.
Don't go too hard.
See you game 3, motherfucker.